The text content for a website often already exists in another document, and if that document was created in Microsoft Word, Dreamweaver converts most of the formatting into the equivalent HTML elements. And if you're using the Windows version of Dreamweaver, you can in fact import a Word document directly by going to the File menu, Import, and there it is, Word document. Now unfortunately that feature isn't available on a Mac. However, it's not a major drawback. More often than not, you want to open the file to inspect the contents, so it's just as easy to copy and paste. Now I'll show you how to do that in a minute, but for the benefit of Windows users, let's import a Word document by using File, Import, Word Document. That opens the Import Word Document dialog box. I want to go to the desktop and to the course assets, and in the Working with Text folder is a Word document highway.docx. Select that. Now before we click Open, let's look at the Formatting menu here. Open it. There are four options. Text only, so that brings in the text without any formatting whatsoever. Text with structure, that brings in paragraphs, lists and tables. Text with structure, basic formatting, that brings in the same as before, but bold and italic are preserved as well. And then this final one with full formatting, please do not use it. If you do, it will insert proprietary Microsoft code into your HTML and it'll be a nightmare to clear up. Always use the third option or one of the other two. I'm going to use the third option. Click Open. Might take a little while. There it is. There's my web page. It has been brought in. At the top we've got a level 1 heading, we've got an unordered list, we've got a level 2 heading, and we've got paragraphs, all beautifully formatted. And if you look in code view, there are also HTML entities. This is for an apostrophe, a right single quote, and this is for an em dash. Now as I said, it's often just as easy to copy and paste, and of course you've got no option but to copy and paste if you're on a Mac. So let's undo that. We've now got a blank page again, and I'm going to go to Word, bring in the Word document. In the Word document, Control A or Command A to select everything, Control C or Command C to copy. Then we can go back to Dreamweaver, and instead of pasting normally, we want to use Paste Special. So on the Edit menu, Paste Special, you see the keyboard shortcut is Control-Shift-V on Windows, it's Command-Shift-V on a Mac. I'm just going to click Paste Special, and that gives us the same options as we had in that earlier dialog box. Text only, text with structure plus basic formatting, and this complete no-no at the end. I've selected text with structure plus basic formatting, click OK, and there is the page. It's been imported in exactly the same way except by using Paste Special. Now occasionally all of your formatting won't be preserved, but in general terms Dreamweaver does a very good job of converting the styles in a Word document into the correct HTML. You might have to do a little bit of cleaning up, but usually it's very good. So let's give that page a title. I'm going to call it Pacific Highway and save it in the exercises site as highway.html. Make sure we're in the site root and then highway.html, and we can use that in later exercises. Now what if you don't have Word on your machine? Well, in the course assets there's a rich text format version of the same page. When you use Paste Special, you'll get only the first two options, text or text with basic formatting. And it will bring in everything as paragraphs, so you'll have to clean everything up by converting some of the paragraphs into headings or an unordered list using techniques that I've shown in other lessons. So if you're on Windows, you can import a Word document directly into Dreamweaver by going to the File menu, selecting Import, and then Word Document. But I usually find it's better to copy and paste from Microsoft Word, and of course you've got no other option on a Mac. Remember, when you copy and paste, use Paste Special on the Edit menu or the keyboard shortcut Control-Shift-V on Windows, Command-Shift-V on a Mac, and choose the third radio button to preserve the formatting.